Alright. So this is how it was straight out of the van. I've just noticed that with this guy, I have not, for residential, regular calls, I have not been needing to go back to the truck for much. So got my impact, light, some dikes, some strippers. Honestly, don't even use those that much. Strippers. On this keychain I got duct tape for taping up insulation or patching ducts, electrical tape, PVC couplings, and glue in case somebody glued the clean out onto the top, and then Unibit just for this is only hard duct. You need to get your probe in there. A couple different nut drivers, extension and a little angle in case the unit's in a bad spot. My UEI with a magnet from a micron gauge, a couple of screwdrivers, a temp probe. One I have two actually. I lost one. Mini screwdriver and a Sharpie. Mini channel locks and needle nose. Little tray of parts. And a brush, zip ties, well done. Some spray, hand tabs, a knife, and this little mini thing. I actually don't use that much. It's always hiding. It matches the back too much.